Hey everybody, and welcome back to Spruce Hill. My name's James. Behind me is my late 90s Scott 16 horsepower lawn tractor that I got on the side of the road for free. And in today's video, we're gonna be upgrading it. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. First thing I wanna work on is this battery back here. This battery is the whole reason this tractor was free. It was dead when I got it. I put it on the trickle charger. I was able to get it to take a charge and it worked for a little while, but now that it's getting cold, this battery is really weak and it's just not working anymore. This battery is pretty old. The date on it is 2017, so we're going to put in a different battery. This battery is not brand new. It's from 2022. It's already been used in our John Deere Gator, and it was just too small of a battery for that. So we're gonna try it in the Scotts today and see if it's good enough. See if it's good enough for the old Scott. Out with the old, in with the new. Nice. Let's go see if it'll start now. Oh yeah! Nice! Okay, so the next thing I want to upgrade are the lights. These lights that are in it right now, they're really dim. I'll fire it up and I'll show you. As you can see, they're not very bright. The more I throttle it up, the brighter they get, but still, they're not very bright. So I got some LED bulbs for this. Let's go check them out and then we'll install them. Okay, so these are the new lights I got. They are LED backup lamps. There's like 1,000 LED lights inside that bulb. So here are our bulbs. They're really light. I think they're going to be very bright. Let's go put them in. All right, let's fire it up and see how bright they are. Well, that is definitely a big upgrade. Those are way brighter than the lights that were in there. Okay guys, so the next modification I want to make is a light switch. You guys might have noticed that in order to turn the lights on, the engine has to be running, and when the engine is running, the lights are always on. There's no turning the lights on and off. And I want to be able to turn them on and off. So I got this little toggle switch from Napa. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was like $4 or something. It's got on and off on it. And we are going to be wiring this up so we can turn the lights on and off when the engine is running. Let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, we are over at the workbench, and that is because the wires are not long enough, so we gotta add some jumper wires before we wire this thing up. Okay guys, so I just finished wiring it up. Let's fire up the tractor and see if the switch works. So the next step is to install this switch into the dashboard of the mower. Package says I need to drill a 1/2 inch hole, and then I will stick the top part of the switch up through, tighten it up, and we'll be good to go. Okay guys, so I got the switch all installed and it's working. Let's go take this thing for a test drive. So it's pretty dark in here. Let's test out these lights. Wow, that's a lot brighter than before. Well guys, those upgrades definitely improved the functionality with the Scotts, and overall I'm really happy with how it all turned out. But that's all I got for today. If you did enjoy this video though, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys could just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you guys anything, but it really helps out the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.